Hi, I'm Chrissy Thomas RN, and welcome to another episode of What to Expect. So for today's episode of What to Expect, I want to talk to you about our non-surgical facelift program. This program is actually what put About Face on the map 16 years ago, and we now have about 300 clients active in the non-surgical facelift program. So when patients come in to see us for the non-surgical facelift program, we'll first sit down and talk through a thorough health history, lifestyle history, just make sure this is the type of thing that will benefit their skin. The non-surgical facelift program is actually a layering of different treatments that will turn the clock back about 5 to 7 years. It incorporates treatments that will exfoliate the skin, smooth out the skin color, tighten the facial skin, and tighten the facial muscles. Our non-surgical facelift program is initially a boot camp of 6 weeks where you come 2 times a week to have your treatments. After we do the 6-week bootcamp program, you can maintain that result with monthly facials. The treatments are very relaxing and there's absolutely no downtime. Check out this amazing before and after picture of one of my clients that has been doing the non-surgical facelift for the past 10 years. She's had no other treatments with us other than her monthly maintenance treatments on the non-surgical facelift. We really get some amazing results with this treatment. Check us out on our website to see more before and after photos. Thanks for joining us for this episode of What to Expect, and don't forget you can follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.